A world emerges daily, a world we have seen previously. Once we discover who we truly are, our game changes completely.
Emerging Leadership Program with which we started. In fact, that is our flagship program, 3TP, the 3-tier program. A large class in the IIM program would offer the real opportunities to interact, have connectivity and have networking on relevant and meaningful issues.
The focus of this program is on improving the decision-making ability, doing better diagnostic, evaluate different possible options and take most appropriate decision. Coverage of all key functional areas gives them cross-functional perspective. We are always customizing the program, keeping in mind the emerging needs of Indian corporates.
We really want our participants to be forward-looking. They should be able to react appropriately in a dynamic situation. There are participants who are coming from small and medium enterprises, established corporations, different countries.
This is a prestigious institute. It's one of the best world-class management institutes. From my country, our ministry is the one who chose this program for us.
I always wanted to come to IIMA, and when this was an opportunity, I went for it. Also, I had feedbacks from few of my colleagues that the course offered here is really a lifetime experience.
I originally came here for the IIMA experience. Emerging leadership is more about getting a holistic view of the system. One of the greatest challenges is to stay ahead of the curve, to constantly adapt to the newer environment, to be decisive.
When you come to a place like IIM Ahmedabad, the feeling is just completely overwhelming that you are here. You are actually in a place which is a mitochondria of education, of enlightenment.
The rate at which the policies have been changing is phenomenal. Fiscal policy, monetary policy, exchange rate policy, a lot of new opportunities start coming in. A lot of new risks are exposed. Price risk, interest rate risk, exchange rate risk, macroeconomic concepts like GDP, inflation, balance of payments, fiscal deficit, and understanding the linkage between the policies and the outcomes that creates clarity on the thinking horizon.
Competition in the corporate world has further intensified. Technology is fast changing. Emerging markets in general are attracting a lot of attention. And our attempt is to prepare participants keeping in mind the changes in the external environment. The program is pretty involving in that sense. Once they gain momentum, once they gain rhythm, then they start enjoying the program. Because case method is very experiential in nature.
There are primarily different dimensions of sustainability. Could be economic sustainability, could be social, could be environmental. How can you isolate the symptoms from the problems? We don't really give any blueprint to our students here. What we make them do here through the course of 4 weeks is how do you think on your feet. Diversity is one that we really value, and I think diversity in the workplace is something the future will hold more and more.
Things really have changed. I've been given all the necessary ammunition to get ready to embark on a new journey. Very educative, very insightful, very interesting.
The biggest takeaway to think and act decisively and be resilient while taking decisions. It's empowering, it's luminous, and it's profound.
The individual, the institute and the environment, all of them work together. ELP is exhaustive, it is immersing and it is transformational.
There is a sense that we somehow don't want it to end. It's a holistic experience. It develops you not only as a leader but also as a person. Enlightening, insightful, super exciting.
Participants should be much more ready to accept competition. They cannot eliminate competition, but they can definitely manage competition. Be ready to adapt, be nimble, and be flexible in your business decisions.
You really need to have high responsiveness. You need to take decision fast. You need to continuously follow what competitors are doing, what consumers are needing.
They really enjoy their stay here. It's a free environment. Learning is the only objective, and that is something which a teacher would always enjoy.